Hey there, data enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into Power BI, Microsoft's game-changing business intelligence tool that's revolutionizing how we look at data. I've been working with various BI tools for years, and I'm excited to share why Power BI might just be your new best friend. Let's start with the features that make Power BI stand out. First up, there's the drag-and-drop interface that makes visualization a breeze. Remember those days of struggling with complex coding? Yeah, those are gone. You can create stunning dashboards in minutes, not hours. The DAX formula language, while it might seem intimidating at first, is incredibly powerful once you get the hang of it. One of my favorite features is the AI-powered insights. Just right-click on any visualization, and Power BI will automatically analyze your data and suggest patterns you might have missed. It's like having a data scientist in your pocket. And don't get me started on the custom visuals marketplace. There are thousands of free visualizations you can use to make your reports pop. The real-time data refresh capability is another game changer. Plus, the mobile app lets you check your dashboards on the go. I actually caught a significant sales dip while on vacation last summer, thanks to this feature. Now, let's talk about how Power BI stacks up against other BI tools. Tableau, often considered Power BI's main competitor, is fantastic for complex visualizations but comes with a heftier price tag. Power BI's monthly subscription model makes it much more accessible, especially for smaller businesses. Compared to Qlik, Power BI has a gentler learning curve. While Qlik's associative engine is powerful, Power BI's integration with the Microsoft ecosystem is hard to beat. If you're already using Office 365, Power BI feels like a natural extension of your existing tools. What about Google Data Studio? While it's free and great for Google Analytics users, it doesn't match Power BI's advanced analytics capabilities. I recently helped a client switch from Data Studio to Power BI, and they were amazed by the difference in data modeling capabilities. Here's an interesting stat. According to Gartner's Magic Quadrant, Power BI has been a leader in analytics and BI platforms for 14 consecutive years. That's not just impressive, it's a testament to Microsoft's commitment to continuous improvement. What truly sets Power BI apart is its balance of power and accessibility. Whether you're a data novice creating your first report or a seasoned analyst building complex data models, Power BI has something for you. The community support is incredible too. There's always someone ready to help on forums or share their solutions. So, whether you're just starting your data journey or looking to switch from another BI tool, Power BI might be worth considering. It's not just about creating pretty charts. It's about transforming data into actionable insights that can drive your business forward. And in today's data-driven world, that's more valuable than ever. Like, share and subscribe code with S for more tech videos. See you in the next video.